After taking the data for the right, left, and back sides of the parking meter after taking the front side last week, I transferred all of the files to my laptop from the Raspberry Pi and used the data generation Python file to convert the points into a text file. So I applied an HSV for each side of the parking meter and adjusted the RO and RPC values as needed. So going into the MATLAB portion, we used the 3D cloud file for each of the sides to filter the data and plot it into a 3D point cloud. So as you can see, this is the filtering, basically saying if it's in a certain Y range or an X range, then it would be considered to be noise. So all those points are just set to 0. So plotting the right side as an example, here is the unfiltered cloud. As you can see, there's a lot of noise. And here is the filtered one. It's a bit more clean, and you can kind of see the rectangular shape of the parking meter. So then combining them all into one point cloud, here I have all of the data being imported and then cleaning each one individually and filtering out all of the noise. And then applying a few transformation matrices by rotating the left side by -90 degrees, the right side by 90 degrees, and the back side by 180 degrees, and keeping the front side the same. These are all rotated and also transformed like in displacement here, just by looking and kind of guessing and checking. So, and then plotting the data down here, so we'll run that code. And here you can see it's not transformed, so all the points are kind of just lying on top of each other and you can't really make anything out of it. And here is the transformed data. It's a bit better. You can see that here's the front, there's the back, and the sides. So you can kind of see, of course, there are some big errors, I guess, in my point cloud, in that this is bending outward and it's a little bit warped. So still need to make some adjustments to get it to be more accurate. But yeah, here it is, and here's the untransformed one. You can see there's kind of like sheets lying across each other.